Decentralized finance, Defi, and altcoins are two of the most important financial sector trends. Defi is a blockchain-based financial system that promises to deliver decentralized financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading without the use of middlemen as an alternative to traditional finance. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we're going to talk about how Defi and altcoins are shaping the future of finance. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. Altcoins are cryptocurrencies that exist in addition to Bitcoin and have emerged as a viable alternative to Bitcoin. They're intended to alleviate some of Bitcoin's constraints, including scalability and transaction speed. Defi and altcoins are transforming the future of finance by making financial services more accessible, transparent, and efficient. Take a look at the state of our financial system. 1.7 billion people worldwide are unbanked. Because traditional banking excludes small businesses, even those with a banking relationship, they frequently must rely on high-cost borrowing, such as credit cards. High expenses also have an impact on retailers who lose 3% on each credit card transaction. By any measure, the total expenditures of small enterprises are significant. As a result, investment is down and economic growth is down. Decentralized finance challenges the current system and offers several potential answers to the difficulties inherent in traditional financial infrastructure. While there are many fintech ventures, we believe that those that embrace conventional financial infrastructure will be short-lived. We believe that efforts that employ decentralized methodologies, specifically blockchain technology, have the best opportunity of defining the future of finance. Decentralized finance refers to a peer-to-peer system that is not governed by a centralized institution such as a bank. There are no storefronts, no chargebacks, and no loan interviews. In a secure environment provided by blockchain technology, you interact with your peers algorithmically. Eliminating centralized institutions cuts expenses significantly, making loans more affordable and deposit rates higher. Transactions are both immediate and secure. Furthermore, everyone is treated equally, thereby democratizing finance and decreasing the opportunity disparity that plagues present systems. We have indeed come full circle. Peer-to-peer transactions, commonly known as barter, were the earliest type of market exchange. Because supply and demand had to be exactly matched between peers, bartering was inefficient. Money was established as a medium of exchange and store of value to solve the matching problem. The first forms of money were not centralized. In exchange for products, agents accepted a variety of objects such as stones or shell. Eventually, specie money appeared, a sort of cash with tangible worth. Today, central banks control non-collateralized fiat currency. While the shape of money has evolved over time, the fundamental architecture of financial institutions has not. If loan rates are high due to legacy costs, high-quality investment projects may be canceled. A high-quality proposal from an entrepreneur may aim for a 20% rate of return, and this is precisely the type of initiative that promotes economic growth. If the bank advises the entrepreneur to borrow money at 24% per year on her credit card, this profitable initiative may never be pursued. These legacy issues sustain and intensify inequality. Most people from all political stripes believe that there should be equal opportunity. A project should be funded based on the quality of the idea and the soundness of the execution plan rather than on other variables. Importantly, when brilliant ideas are not funded, inequality inhibits growth. These consequences are far-reaching, and there's a long list of major problems that are inherent in our current centralized banking system. Our financial infrastructure has failed to adjust to the digital era. Have you recently attempted to send a wire transfer? Technology is no different than it was 20 years ago. Defi addresses 5 major issues that result from the current centralized finance system: centralized control, limited access, inefficiency, lack of interoperability, and opacity. Decentralized finance opens up new possibilities. The technology is still in its early stages, but the potential is exciting. Defi aims to create and combine open-source financial building pieces to create sophisticated products with little friction and maximum value for users. Defi proponents think that all major financial infrastructure will be replaced by smart contracts that can deliver more value to a larger group of consumers because it costs no more at an organizational level to provide services to a customer with $100 million in asset. You may be asking what distinguishes Defi from traditional finance. For starters, Defi is open and available to everyone with an internet connection. It eliminates the entry obstacles that are common in the traditional financial system, such as minimum account balances and credit check. As a result, Defi has the potential to be a game-changing solution for individuals and communities that have traditionally been underserved by the financial industry. However, Defi is more than just providing financial access to the unbanked. It is also about boosting financial transaction transparency and security, as well as providing new opportunities for earning and building wealth. With Defi, you can take charge of your financial future and maximize the value of your assets without relying on traditional financial middlemen. So, what does all of this imply for traditional finance? It's no secret that Defi is upending the banking sector. Although it is still in its early stages, Defi has the potential to disrupt established financial services and change the way we think about finance. It has the potential to result in a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system that benefits individuals and communities worldwide. So it's a thrilling moment to be a part of the Defi movement. The decentralized finance, Defi, market has grown and developed rapidly since its introduction. Defi initially focused on providing decentralized versions of standard financial goods, including lending and borrowing platforms. However, it has now grown to incorporate a diverse set of financial applications and services, ranging from decentralized exchanges and stablecoins to prediction markets and insurance platforms. The increasing implementation of blockchain technology is a crucial element driving the growth of the Defi industry. People are more likely to investigate the possibilities of Defi as they become more familiar with blockchain and its capabilities. Furthermore, the introduction of decentralized finance protocols like Ethereum's Compound and Macrodeo has made it easier for developers to create and access Defi application. Another element driving the expansion of the Defi business is the growing interest in alternative financial systems. Many people are turning to Defi as a more democratic and transparent alternative to the traditional financial industry, which has been chastised for its high fees and lack of accessibility. Overall, the Defi sector has a promising future. As it expands and evolves, we should expect to see even more innovative financial applications and services emerge, providing users with additional options and accessibility. Decentralized finance, Defi, provides a number of advantages for users looking for a more efficient and cost-effective method of accessing financial services. Here are a few advantages to using Defi for your financial transactions. Fee reductions. Defi can offer lower fees for financial transactions since it uses blockchain technology and does not require traditional intermediaries. This is especially advantageous for people who use financial services regularly, as the savings can mount up over time. Greater accessibility. Defi enables consumers to access financial services from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This is especially important for people who live in underbanked or unbanked areas and do not have access to regular financial institutions. Faster transaction speeds. Due to the decentralized structure of the blockchain, Defi transactions are often handled faster than those made through traditional financial institutions. This implies that instead of waiting days for a transaction to be processed, you can receive or send payments nearly immediately. Increased security. Blockchain technology secures Defi transactions, making them less prone to fraud and tampering. This is especially significant for people who are concerned about the safety of their financial holdings. Greater control. Because Defi users are not reliant on traditional intermediaries to manage their money, they have greater control over their financial assets. This may appeal to people who appreciate financial freedom and autonomy. Defi provides a number of advantages for individuals wishing to conduct financial transactions in a more efficient and cost-effective manner. Defi has something to offer, whether you want to save money on fees, access financial services from anywhere in the world, or have more control over your assets. Overall, while Defi has the potential to provide numerous benefits, it is critical to be aware of the obstacles and hazards connected with this developing technology. Users can reduce their risk and take advantage of the potential provided by Defi by educating themselves and taking precautions. The market for decentralized finance, Defi, is still in its early stages, but it is already having a big impact on the financial system. Defi has the potential to affect the future of finance in a variety of ways as it grows and evolves. Increased competition. Because Defi provides a cheaper and more efficient alternative to traditional financial services, incumbent institutions are under pressure to improve or risk being left behind. Consumers may benefit from lower rates and better services as a result of more competition. Without a doubt, the future of Defi appears promising. As it grows and evolves, it has the ability to impact the financial industry in a variety of ways, providing users with more choice, accessibility, and innovation. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.